Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave a video right here. You'll see a video that comes up in the box in your upper right-hand corner. I had a great time with Stockmo Keenan Grace and myself last night on a live. Man, it's always a good time with them. You're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And this video is sponsored by you by continually hitting that like button and sharing this page, okay? Anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. We got a lot to talk about. You guys know to don't fall for that spam in the comment section, right? They get to your comments before I'm able to, so don't fall for any spam. I don't talk about a WhatsApp. I don't manage anybody's money. Let's talk about what's going on, and then I'm going to tell you, of course, about Moo and Weeble at the end of this video. So there'll be two links in the description below. They got a great promotion going on. Let's look at what's going on today, good people. Today. All right, we closed everything green. Actually, the Dow ran green literally right at closing bell. So all of the major indexes were green today. The S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. Everything just turned green, right? The Russell, everything is green. We like green, right? We just like it. I like green and I cannot lie. All right. And so I want to talk about a few things that will help you on your overall journey into investing. And I'm going to say this, I'm going to make a bold statement, and it's okay. I know some people are going to disagree with me, but I'm going to say this. If you are trading crypto and you just got into the market in the last year or two, okay, and you got on the crypto run and you know nothing about the stock market, someone that knows the stock market will kill you in gains with crypto. I'm going to say that again. They will make more money than you than crypto. I know this is what I'm going to say, especially for those of you that are just in crypto. You're going to be going, no, you got it wrong, Unc. No, listen, hear me out, because this is going to encourage you guys. If you study blockchain, I don't care if you're the best thing. You know blockchain like no one else, right? You know about use case. You know about circulating supply with crypto. You know about the projects that they're working on, white sheets, all of this. You know all of this to a T. Someone that knows stock can come in and run circles around you, because I'm going to continue to show you guys this, because I just talked to someone a few days ago that is only in crypto and not into the stock market, and never been in the stock market, and wonder why they're performing so horribly. So I'm doing this to encourage you guys. So let's look at this. All right, we'll come back to this. This is the run up. Let's look at this. This is Bitcoin, right? And as you know, that Bitcoin is like whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of the market, the altcoins will follow, right? To a degree, right? So if Bitcoin crashed, the altcoins are going down. If Bitcoin has a huge run up, all of the other altcoins are going to run up, all right? They're going to follow. We can agree on that, right? Here it is, Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin did over the last month, right? But now let's add the S&P 500, right? So let's add the S&P. Where's my N? All right, let's just add the S&P and let's look at what's going on. I got this too big. It looks weird. Sorry, good people. Now I went too small. All right, so let's look at the S&P. All right, and let's go to the month, right? We've been over this before so many times. Whatever the S&P does, Bitcoin does, and should I say crypto does more, exaggerated, right? And the NASDAQ, the same thing. The NASDAQ is even more correlated with crypto, right? And so I'm going to say this. Look at this. As you can see, Bitcoin is the blue, yellow is the S&P. As you can see, the yellow goes down. What does crypto do? Go down way more. It goes up. It just follows. Now, you can't argue with the data. I don't care how smart you think you are. With crypto, you cannot argue with the data. Why not take what you know in crypto, knowing about the use cases, knowing about future projects, knowing all of this? Why not add it to what you will learn in stocks, because you will be a better trader? And I'm saying that because I actually took somebody that lost a lot of money in crypto, right? And I just simply showed them about the S&P and challenged them to learn about the S&P and the NASDAQ and circulations of markets, meaning bear markets, bull markets, crash and corrections, right? And to see that if you look at the S&P and you generally subtract negative 20%, it's safe to start investing there, right? Just basic things like that. And I will tell you, in their Webull app, they've been swing trading, all right? So they had it in their Coinbase. They had crypto in their Coinbase, lost a lot of money like everybody else. It's crypto winter. Crypto winter comes. When does it come? Whenever it wants to. Where does an elephant sit? Wherever it wants to. And so what happened was I had him swing trading crypto with Webull, right? He made his money back in crypto, swing trading it in, while he's still holding his crypto in Coinbase. He's been making these gains, right? Running up and down with Webull, right? And so he's been making money back, right? And because he understands that, good people, it's impossible for the stock market to be crashing into a hard recession and we also be in a bull run with crypto. It's not going to happen. And so it is actually a good thing that crypto right now is in crypto winter while we are in this area with the stock market, because the next bull run with crypto is going to be outstanding. Now, remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. This is just what I see. So someone said, hey, Larry, you poo-pooed on Shiba Inu. And I said, no, I didn't. It was like, oh, you poo-pooed on it. No, I literally said that I have entry levels. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at SHIB, right? All right, here we got the RSI, we got volume, we got a chart here. Let's look at here. So now, as you know, as time goes on, things changes. This is SHIB, right? And I could tell you right now that what used to be a resistance is now support. So quad 012 is now support. It used to be resistance, right? And so we could see where SHIB can actually make a run. So now what used to be resistance is now support. So what I said was I would be buying at quad 010, right? Now, because of time has to go on, now this is me, I'm not telling you to buy SHIB. I would feel okay buying SHIB at quad 012 right now, okay? And time will tell. So I would be buying it at quad 012 down to quad 010. That's what Larry would be doing, okay? And because now quad 012 is showing support and not resistance. And so, yes, if it goes back down to quad 010, that's where I'm going to get back in. And yes, I believe that it will make another run in the next bull cycle. Okay, that's just what I believe, right? Now, over 20,000, used to be 18,000 coins, over 20,000 coins. What I'm going to suggest to you is not just focus on one. There are going to be, 1,000 other, literally, probably 2,000 new SHIBs that will come along for the next bull run. All right. And so what you want to do is not just razor sharp focus on this, but to actually look for other opportunities. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. This is what I was talking about. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, is now down 19.63%. And we know that Ryan Collins, is cashing out now. And that caused it to go down, right? And so he was the reason why everybody was FOMOing in, right? And so if you made money on that play, if you listened to me and took profits, if you listened to me and did your stop losses, please leave me a comment below. Now, I'm saying to you that there's money to be made in these plays. And I used to call all of these plays. If you've been rolling with me for a while, leave me another comment. Man, I made so many hot plays in 2020 and 2021. That's how this page grew. And someone said the other day, why have you slowed down? Because of the market that we're in. That's why I slowed down on those plays. When we get to the next bull run, you know, the sauce ain't lost. As a matter of fact, the sauce is even more. I got charters like stocks with Josh. He and I just had lunch. Man, when we get in the next bull market, we are going to make so much money, good people. Right now, I'm trying to teach fundamentals to those of you that are new. So if you're just in crypto, I'm encouraging you to get into some stock and make your money both ways, right? And not just chase the BBBYs, right? But also some blue chips to establish good foundation. You don't have to choose one or the other, good people. This is not politics. You can make money in both. You can do some good, solid, foundational, blue chip, long-term investing, right? You can do that while you're swing trading, okay? Because I hear something like over 90% of day traders actually lose because they trade their way broke, okay? And so, yes, there's a difference in day trading, swing trading, and investing. Investing is one of the things that are proven. I'm not even going to bring a chart up. Look at Google over a 20 year period. Look at Apple over a 10, 20 year period. Look at VOO and VTI over a 10, 20 year period. You can't beat that. So why not do that and this? We're going to have plenty of time for these hot calls, but this is one of the things I wanted to share with you. Now, for those of you that don't have it, I'm going to tell you something. You need to go ahead and download Webull if you don't have it. The link is below. Here's why. I'm going to tell you, when I did my $5 a day challenge, I missed the last 6 weeks now, all right? And if with Webull, because you can set it on automatic, the top 5, you can only do top 5. Webull will be doing it for me. So I'm so busy researching and sharing information with you guys, I keep forgetting every Friday to do my $5 a day. With Webull, you do it once, set it, and it does it for you. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my top 5 of my Larry Jones $5 a day challenge. I'm going to calculate the amount of days, and I'm going to put $10 per day per stock in it. But I'm going to wait until the market comes down, and I'm just going to load up, right? But until then, at the beginning of September, I'm going to start my $10 a day and set it on automatic. So I'm going to see if I could beat my own $5 a day challenge with my top 5. And I'll share the results with you guys. So that's why I suggest you download you download Webull and get the 12 free stock worth up to $30,000. But with Moomoo, okay? Moomoo, I want to tell you, and it's not just about you guys downloading these, right? But I want you guys to see that Moomoo is giving you now 12 free stock, right? Worth up to $30,000. Actually, it's actually more than that, depending on the amount that you put in. So you only get the extra 3 stock if you use an influencer like myself and use our link. If you go there, you won't get the extra free stock. Here's what we're doing with Webull. And if you have 5 different portfolios, then you use your portfolio and take this information, okay? We're putting in recession stock in Moomoo. First of all, we've simply been cashing up, but I'm starting to put a little Walgreens, which I believe will do good when the hard recession comes. Now they're talking about Q1 of 2023 instead of, the first half instead of the second half. You guys know I have GORO, and it dropped down to 176, which I would start buying a little GORO at this price. The ideal price is 160 down to 150, and that's gold, because the last recession in 2008 In 3 months, it went up 100% when they officially announced it. So if you don't believe the Fed, which I don't, and you want to have a hedge against recession, then these are the type of plays that you want to go into. Another one is Ulta. I don't have a buy-in price yet. I need to really deep dive into that. But I just bought a share of Ulta and just have it in there. It's beauty supply. They actually do well during a recession too. Women like to still look good, and it's one of the cheapest things that they can do since they can't go out. You want to look good. Just like men, we go get our hair cut regardless, right? We want to look good and feel good about ourselves. And the Verb Challenge. The Verb Challenge. Stocks with Josh has a Verb Challenge, VERB, and I want you to download Webull, deposit $100, and take Stocks with Josh's Verb Challenge because it is in a buy range at 50 cents and it's back down there right now as we speak. So now is a green signal for Verb. All right, good people. So that's what we want to talk about today. I know it was a whole lot of stuff. I just wanted to talk about everything. So I want you to do 3 things. Number 1, download Webull. Deposit actually 1 penny. Get the free stuff, right? Number 2, download Moomoo. Get the free stuff. And then start buying Verb now, right? Number 3, watch this video with stocks with Stock Mo, Keenan Grace, and myself, and just have a good time while we make money, good people. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.